Hello people, welcome back to YouTube. Hello people on YouTube. Hello people on YouTube. Welcome back to Erica Goth YouTube channel. Okay? I want you to subscribe Erica Goth YouTube channel. Okay, people, I want you to press this. Okay. Hello people on YouTube. Hello people on YouTube. Welcome back to Erica Goth YouTube channel. I want you to press subscribe Erica Goth channel and press the notification the bell button and you don't miss what video I post, and press like you like this video, and don't forget to leave a comment. Make sure to do it every day. Please get it in your mind, okay? Okay people, people, I want to tell you something. Okay, I want to tell you what is today today, okay? Okay, today is a five of today's date. I want to tell you what is today. Today's date is 5 of November 2022. Okay? Okay. Right now we're going to sing. Okay? November, 1st of November. Gunpowder, a t-shirt on blocks. Erica. Oh. Okay. Okay. Okay, I want to tell you something. Okay? Okay. Are we going to say something to Erica the hamster? Are we going to say happy Bonfire night, Mother Erica Goth. Happy Bonfire night, Mother Erica Goth. Happy Bonfire night. Okay, I know what I'm naming the title in the video. I'm naming the title in the video is 5 of November 2022. Yeah. And happy Bonfire night, Hamsters, Mother Erica Goth on Bonfire night. Because happy Bonfire night, Mummy Erica Goth the hamster. Because we celebrate every year. We celebrate us 5th of November 2022. Because the reason is fireworks night, a bonfire night, a fireworks night. Okay? What do you think of that, Erica? Okay? Happy Bonfire night, Hamster, Mother Erica Goth. Okay? Okay. Okay, people. Okay, people, I want you to enjoy of my rest of my bonfire night with Erica, Goth the Hamster, okay? Happy bonfire night. Happy bonfire night, Hamster, Mother, Erica, Goth. Happy bonfire night, Mother, Erica, Goth the Hamster. Okay, people, thank you to watching my... Okay, people. People, I want you to understand everything I said in the video. Okay? Please get it in your mind. Erica wants 1,000 subscribers. Okay? Okay. People, thank you to watching our nice video about I said happy bonfire night, Hamsters, Mother, Erica, Goth. On Guy Fawkes night, we celebrate November, 1st of November, combat the treasures and procs. Okay, a fight of the yellow month of November 2022. We celebrate every year. Thank you to watching a Bonfire Guy Fawkes video about Hamster, Mother, Erica, Goth, the Bonfire Night Hamster video. Okay? Okay, goodbye people, so long, farewell, goodbye, bye-bye. Oh look, Erica wants to say goodbye to you, look. Goodbye.